Today, we are diving into something that is an absolute game changer for scaling high-quality content without, sounding like a robot. We're looking at a highly transparent, automated AI workflow that literally flips the script on how we use large language models. Let's get right into it. So here's our game plan for demystifying this whole content engine today. We'll quickly touch on the AI content dilemma, then we'll actually build out the blog pipeline. After that, we hit the real secret sauce, saving your outputs. Then we'll look at reviewing and refining those steps and wrap up with how all of this eliminates the mental drudgery. Starting off with section 1, the AI content dilemma. Look, we all know the struggle here. Everyone absolutely loves the lightning speed of AI generation. But if we're being totally honest with ourselves, we kind of hate the generic vanilla results it usually spits out. Think about the standard way most people use AI. It's basically a black box, right? You type in one prompt, you cross your fingers, and out pops one generic article. But contrast that with the glass box approach. This is an agentic pipeline, a meticulously structured, totally transparent, multi-step workflow like the one developed by the Opref's content team. Instead of throwing one blind prompt into the void, the AI acts as an agent, making guided decisions through a highly customized framework. So just how customized are we talking? 23. Yep. This sophisticated blog pipeline is actually built on about 23 individual processes. Now, I know that might sound like total over-engineering at first, but breaking the process down into this many tiny steps is exactly what gives you total, uncompromised control over the final product, which brings us right into section 2, building the blog pipeline. Let's break down what those 23 processes actually look like in practice when you string them all together. The whole foundation of this pipeline relies on something called a skill file. Think of a skill file as a highly specific modular process, basically a single human action. When you sit down to write, one action is looking up competitor articles. Another is extracting the main themes. Another is outlining. Well, in this pipeline, every single one of these actions is a dedicated text file with strict instructions that the AI has to complete before it's allowed to move on to the next. It's honestly just like a digital assembly line. The AI acts as a crew of specialized workers passing a folder down the line. Worker 1 researches the search engine results. Worker 2 digs up internal references from your own blog to keep the brand consistent. Worker 3 creates this highly structured outline. Worker 4 hunts for natural places to drop in product mentions. And then Worker 5 finally handles the drafting and formatting. It is systematic, it's logical, and it works flawlessly. All right, section 3. This is the big one. The secret sauce, saving outputs. We are now arriving at literally the most crucial point of this entire workflow, which is the absolute necessity of capturing your data step by step. Let's put on our skeptic hats for a second. Say you set your AI loose for 10 minutes to run through those 23 steps, and at the end, it spits out absolute garbage. How on earth do you fix it? How do you know which of those 23 steps went off the rails or hallucinated? If you're using a black box, you don't. You just have to guess, rewrite your massive master prompt, and pray. But the solution is captured so perfectly in this quote from the source material. Make sure the process saves the output of the step so you can go step by step and review where it went sideways. Guys, this is the real game changer. By forcing the AI to save a physical text document at every single stage of the pipeline, you never have to guess which worker on the assembly line messed up. You just find the broken part and you fix it. To put that into perspective, watch how this builds a timeline of pure accountability. Minute 1, the AI saves a master research document. Minute 3, it saves a list of internal links. By minute 5, the outline is generated and saved. Because everything is automatically saved along the way, you can insert human guardrails wherever you want. If the draft at minute 8 is completely missing the mark, no worries. You don't throw away the whole thing. You just back up and look at the saved outline from minute 5. If that outline looks weird, check the research doc for minute 1. You fix the core issue and just run it again from there. Now that we have all those precious saved outputs, we hit section 4, reviewing and refining. This is where we keep the human tightly in the loop. Let's look at exactly how you, the editor, interact with this automated workflow. Because the AI actually pauses and saves between major steps, you can jump in and give what we call directional context nudges. For instance, before the actual drafting step even kicks off, you can inject a couple of free-form sentences. You can say, hey, focus heavily on this specific angle or make sure to weave in the specific customer story. You dictate the unique flavor and the AI just naturally incorporates it. And again, because every single output is saved as a discrete file, your manual interventions can be laser targeted. You can manually verify claims and update specific citations before a single word is published. You can review the raw generated HTML code directly. You can even spot exactly where the AI suggested putting a custom screenshot, pause the pipeline, and go take that specific screenshot yourself. It's this perfect, beautiful blend of automated heavy lifting and precise human oversight. Oh, and here is a massive pro tip for refining these AI outputs. Don't just rely on written rules. Giving the AI instructions only is way less effective than giving it instructions, plus real examples. The source material points out that feeding it a folder of actual examples like high-performing posts from someone like Lenny Rashitsky or your own personal best work allows the language model to genuinely infer your style. That's so much better than forcing it to follow some rigid, robotic checklist of what your voice is supposed to sound like. This whole process creates a brilliant symbiotic relationship between you and the AI during that refinement phase. Take claim verification. The human action is to check the generated stats. But then the AI refinement is that it can be programmed to auto-update those stats by scraping the latest sources or for content gaps. You just review the master summary, dictate some of your unique proprietary data, and the AI injects it seamlessly. You are providing the taste and the hard facts. The AI is just providing the synthesis, which leads us perfectly into Section 5, eliminating the mental drudgery. Let's address the elephant in the room, the fear that an automated pipeline like this somehow kills human creativity. Honestly, it's the exact opposite. When you set it up transparently like this, the AI acts as an external brain. The source shares this amazing anecdote of an author simply rambling their messy, brilliant ideas into a microphone. The AI pipeline then takes over the heavy lifting. It connects the dots from those dictated ramblings. It structures those messy ideas into super logical outlines. It handles all the formatting, the internal referencing, the citation gathering, all of it automatically. It isn't writing for you. It's organizing your brilliance. The source material puts this perfectly. There's a lot of mental drudgery. Automating that could create more cool stuff than has ever existed. A transparent step-by-step pipeline absolutely does not steal your voice. It just clears out the boring, repetitive housekeeping work, like cross-referencing URLs or formatting headers so your actual unique ideas can shine through faster. So I'll leave you with this final thought today. If you built a transparent pipeline and finally automated away all of your own mental drudgery, what unique ideas would you actually have the time and energy to write? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Start mapping out your own skill files. Definitely remember to save those outputs and go create something amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're ready to take your digital product sales to the next level, I have something truly exciting to share with you. Lead Creator AI is designed to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience and boost your online sales effortlessly. Imagine having a powerful tool that not only understands your business needs, but also helps you create targeted leads that convert. This is your chance to see it in action and discover how it can transform your sales strategy. I invite you to watch the exclusive demo presented by the founder of Lead Creator AI. This is more than just a product demonstration. It's a glimpse into the vision and passion behind the technology. The founder shares insights on how Lead Creator AI is tailored to help you achieve the success you've been striving for. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing digital product sales, this tool provides smart automation, lead generation, and customer engagement strategies that work seamlessly. The demo will show you how easy it is to integrate Lead Creator AI into your current workflow, saving you time and increasing your revenue potential. It's designed to be user-friendly so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing products. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your business. Watching the demo is the first step toward unlocking the full potential of Lead Creator AI. You'll see real examples of how it can help you attract more customers, nurture leads, and close sales faster than ever before. The success stories from users just like you are inspiring and prove that with the right tools, your digital products can reach new heights. Take a moment now to click the link below and start your journey to greater success.